looking for something. Compliments of the new year, guys. Hello, YouTube. Mbuyile. Happy New Year. We have survived 2025. Now it's 2026. Sabangena. More content. Vandaag sespanini. Mara sombe suthi ngukudla kampili.
Subscribe to the channel because it's free. I come up with new videos every Tuesday.
Before start lo nyaka lo, I just want to thank everyone that has been watching my content. Thank you very much. This year ngicela into anyways, today ngicela into eyi-one nje engicelayo njengoba nginibonga kanje. Please share my content.
Couple of days back we were told that kune 2 slice eBryanston Slow.
Okay, so we're not in the thing somewhere. Yeah?
Azi vele bebangitshela ukuthi ukuthengisa ikota and I couldn't believe. So today I decided I think ngivanywe ibheka le ndawo ethengisa ikota ngoba no, we must eat kota in Bryanston.
Into one.
Yazi le walk lena ongazi ukuthi enhle bazongiphoxa ukuthi bona bathengisa amakota la kusesantini or eish
A few moments later.
It's a concept. To slide with every person uphila nge-two slide life. You understand? So they just made it innovative and made it a quad.
bafitha ningibhadaleni bafitha iconcept engiceda ukutshela umthandosi manje mara that's the original story se-two slice. Sese-Pick n Pay sizobha ama-fruits awuthiyami 2026 live healthy.
You love it. So your plan this year is to live healthy.
Simply fruits and juice.
That's a mix. I think they get that. What are we gonna have? What are we gonna have? Suthumela mafati. Singesona suthumela mafati. Sibona. Azamiwa. Asos. Masikhuluma ngebhoza. Mangale. Boza. Hey. Hey, waze washo. Ucela ngayini mfethu? Ucela ngayini? Awucabangi? Yabona umdali uyakhuluma mfana. Uyakhuluma umdali. Athi yenza kunjalo. Sanibona. Bafuna ngibhadale. Awulihle funde ezocima mina ngihlale bengirecorda lana yabo. And then manje sizoyenza kanjani? Ngobatshela mina ukuthi anginamali. Ayikho into endingayenza mina anginamali. Just imagine people in the phone.
2,000 years later.
Let's say the cut is 20 to 15 minutes. So gonna come. Two slice. I think usually we share like us.
And there you have it, one of Thabani's decadently different seafood kotas.
Yo, it was fabulous.
So now we're making our famous Nemo seafood kota.
Everybody say yeah! Yeah!
To the flat top and start grilling a little bit. Try and keep least amount of bread around the kota. So it's sort of like the sly on each side. The base of chips.
And there you have it, one of Tabane's decadently different seafood kotas.
Yo, it was fabulous.
It's the same thing. Because ngiyabona manje mangibheka imini. Ngiyabona. Ngitsana shengithi aningikaya nona. Khona nama-prawns, kodwa nama-prawns as
La?
yeah.
Yini?
But le menu bungayibhekanga.
Mina ngikaya yazoba iside.
Kuba nama-side ngayo. Amara yona yiyo leyo sekasi. Sikhulu. Khona uzibona manje ukuthi uba isibhuku. Slide. Sizophinda sibuye. This is the shop. La khona ba-partnership ile ne 2 slice. Hayi danko sibonge. Sophinda sibone shy review. Yeah. Why bangathathi imoto? But this guy is slow butchery. Mara, that's a good strategy because lama 5 rand lawa ba save. Surely la it says it's especially in the area here. Bubi malini condition abangibona bubi 6. Ama cold drink ay 6, ama 2 liter for 120. Sure. Mabafika yi bathengisa 28 rand. Yayibona. Ingam mfethu. Angithi usitshela ngoba uyithenga lana ucabanga ukuthi fresh kanti hayi into eyi1 esePick n Pay. Hlala nishawe emva kwendlela. Wola. Uzopaka imoto kahle. Hola. Number 1 otherwise. Sigere mnandi mfowethu. Ezonke usasibona mfowethu sesisurvive nje. Hayi grand lena. Shap. Yayibona. Hola. Manje mfethu ngiyangibona.
A man's got to do what a man's got to do to survive.
Uyangilaha ngizongena kanjani la mfethu upake kanje?
Yo, comrade, this thing is tight.
You're still trying to get in, sir?
I am trying, but hi, the seat is already full of me. This car is too small, comrade.
Careful there.
It is not designed for a man of struggle, you see. I push back.
Yes. Ngizongena kanjani langibona ngakanani? Never left. Hello. Here, moment. Fruit is here. It's born into. Okay. Surely. This is the one. It's the one. This one. It's the one. This one.
It looks a bit messy, but this is good. This really is good.
Damn.
It looks good.
Yes. Yes. Isum kana si what's the name? Ikanda le. Oh,
Shit.
Hey, ikanda. It's like
Ngiyacabanga iqanda leli. Thing I'll tell you. Yeah, it's French toast.
ikanda.
French toast.
Yes.
Shit.
Oh my God! Wow!
Abayishayile mfethu. Ngiyamtshela le sister ngithi sister. This one is 120. This one is 120. The one enhle khona ezinye mara khona nesikulupa ngizosendela imini.
And I don't believe nothing would just come up like even if God wanna give me $1 million.
Lapha shit. Yeah. It's called a RIP OG. OG RIP or RIP OG. Banka ene number la ukuthi sikwazi ukufona yabo. For my customer. The flavor that. You have had this before?
Yeah, but not like that.
Not like that. Alright, number one. At least you are a South African. If you have never eaten a quarter, you're not a South African. A pani chow is a quarter, bruh. An Indian one. Oh, so you have eaten a pani chow?
Yeah.
Or pani chow? Oh, pani chow. You must be like this. You must be pani chow. Damn, bro. Damn, tall and fun. Damn. Oh, this is nice. Quite in a McGuckins. Really? Nakupela yabantu. Guys, yabuya. Yeah. I will, mama. Half a bread, but cut in half with a lot of stuffing. Sukota. I'm answering him in my own way. Please give me a serviette, guys. Bra, we went to KFC today. Borrow me there. Oh, okay, the delivery came here. Stop being a smart ass, bra. Thank you very much. It is what it is. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna finish this. I'm crazy, man. I got a record. If you're not chimera. It's just that I wanna the flavor mara. I'm a very changa coating. If you're looking at my pair, I'm fit. Yeah, one. What are you now eating? Take colors. Swirl around too. And it's too saucy. I think it's in that. No. Go sharp. I need to put cheese for this quarter. Nice. Too much. Thank you very much. It's creative. Hey. Now there's flavor.
A few minutes later.
No, give up. It's an NS craft game. Once I'm playing it fire. Yeah, from the young. Maybe answer. If you want it.
1 hour later.
Fuck off, everyone. I'm gone.
Oh, putup tara. Salen guys. Hola. Katsuge kaya manje. Time to go home. Long walk to Tembisa. Mara into sesijwayele or sengiyijwayele simkhulume kanjalo. To walk, look for a taxi, so long I'm hanging Uber. But yesterday, I wasn't feeling like vlogging. But today, give labor. So, one a month, come on, the quarter, I'm in a part. One a month. One has born, I'm saying, I've been right.
But now I'm better, yeah. Hey, yeah. But now I'm better, yeah. I can't go back to the hood, little nigga. You might get set up, nah. They wanna see a nigga take a L, but it don't matter, nah. We get cheddar, oh we get cheddar, oh we get cheddar, oh we get cheddar, yeah, yeah. Oh we get cheddar, oh we get cheddar, oh we get cheddar, yeah.
La uvela ubone kahle ukuthi hayi maziyafuneka shem. Uyabona itaxi igcwele mara uzohlala ephasishini bheka iHotman lihleli phansi phakathi etaxini awu madoda awu hayi siyasebenza azimadoda kumele siyithengele imoto awu Suzuki samele namanje reply yakho uzozinika ireply mara kodwa iSuzuki Berlin soyithola mara ngiyabonga ukungifikile endlini mfethu. That's all that matters.
So yileso sikhathi ukuthi siyendlini ukufika ethi ngifele Big Boss. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Que flavor tata. It's creative.
Book. Booking on exams in Jan. I'm a Rasta by force. World War III, son of my pulse. You're getting on my last nerve, buddy.
Mara bafethu, I just have one question. Bake bakhayijeka nekhadi lakho. Bathi hayi namhlanje siyakidnapha nekhadi lakho. Asambe sodlala nabanye abantwana. Cause ibirthday umunye umntwana. Happy.
So I didn't have 1025.
Exe, emana, baso. Emana sinna chumele na le.
Marada ukuizida karalo is not maratisi la kule lipstick.
God have mercy upon us.
Iboni ko kayo. Okay. Found it. Nani, how are you? Huh? How are you? Bamba. So celebrate birthday. Look good and happy birthday to you. Huh? Happy birthday to you. Cheers. Oh, how are you? Bonani. Napilan dyan ba? Ang bawan ko itong kala. Table for 2.5. Mamang ngawang apan. Shop. Yeah, okay. Ano ba? Mami. Good mami. Angat po pizza mo. O dyan pala mo ba ng buwan niya? Okay, shit.
Samo.
Ha? Ay, subum. How? Subum. Yo, what's the problem there? I'm not sure. You want? Okay. Which one? The Pappuccino signature. Is that what you want? Yeah, or fully smoked daddy. Daddies. Ooh, your turn on my page. What's how you born the 29? Yes, sister. Kano. How's the driver, mom? Eh? We are driver, mom. How's it again? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep. Beep. How's it again? Yes? 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 Oh, I driver, mom. I driver him. Allah do mommy. I see beep beep. Beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. We are humble. We are. Eh? Kano. Beep beep. Beep beep beep. They were chased. Full driver foot. Ooh, full driver foot. Alright, let's drive a foot in it. Material fagane. I see. Let's drive a foot.
Right, get ready, listen now.
Beep beep. Just. Beep beep. Boom. Kelly. Nana. Hello. Asakakhulu noma wazigibela la kanje. Yes. Yeah, driver. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep. Fanele abambe ispeed from fanele abambe ispeed asenze ngaso. Yeah, I think I saw that. Let's go. We're still driving. Yeah, we're still gonna drive. Let's go. Look. Let's go. Let's go. Vroom, vroom. The food is ready, but I have a problem. Nangu sisa kafuna come. Come. You don't want to. Yo, what's wrong? No, we have to drive. Yeah. Bafile. You are vote la. Bye bye. Ngiyakushiya mina la. Hello. Kano. Even laughing, even laughing. Yay, come. Come then. Come a little bit. Yeah, hold on. Come then. Come. Oh, I'm gonna push you. I'm going to push you. Come. Let go. Yeah. Kudum. Oh, dear. Vision of us go round and round. Just through the town. Through the town. I love. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you? Officially in my life, it's January today. I'm officially broke.
So we'll come back another day. We'll put up dark. Wallah. Katsugamba, the date is over. Going with my girls. Thank you, Papachinos. Papachinos. Yeah. Milkshake. We got a pistol talk. Alex is alive. Kwenzakalani lapha kudlala igolf? Ngithi kudlala igolf laphaya. Outdoor course, ngibona outdoor course tournament deck. Register a budget. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you happy birthday to my daughter. 1 game series. This was the second birthday. Happy birthday.